If you cannot see incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, the first thing that you can do is you can check if you have a Do Not Disturb mode active. You should be able to find it, for example, in this expandable area in the control center or quick settings panel. So if the ND mode is active, then most likely this is the reason why you cannot see incoming calls. So when someone calls you, it might not display on your screen. You might not be able to find a banner, or it might not show up on the full screen. Besides that, you can also go to the phone app. Here we can tap on the three dots, either on the right side in this place or in the upper right corner, and then you want to open the settings. Once you go to call settings, you can choose call display while using apps, and you might want to switch to the full screen option, just to make sure that no matter what you have opened, you will always see the full screen of an incoming call. Now, in addition to that, if you still cannot see incoming calls, I can also recommend you restarting your phone, which is of course very simple and very straightforward. So if you go, let's say, to the quick settings panel, you can tap on this power button here in the upper right corner, and then you can restart your phone. Even after restarting, if you still cannot see those incoming calls, if they still do not show up, what you can do is you can go to settings, then we can scroll down in here and go to apps. Now in apps, you want to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to filter and sort, and you want to enable system apps. You want to make sure that show system apps is enabled. After that, we need to search for a couple of apps. So first let's search for phone. There we go, and you should be able to find the phone app. Now in the case of the phone app, you want to go to notifications and you want to make sure that they are allowed, and make sure that everything in here is enabled, especially lock screen and notification pop-up. And you might want to, for example, make sure that the content is hidden when the phone is locked, although it is not probably necessary, but still, I guess it is just recommended to at least test if that makes any difference for you. And in addition to that, we can of course go to permissions, and you want to make sure that these permissions are granted. You just want to make sure that all of these that we have here in allowed right now, that they are granted in your case as well. If not, then of course you want to tap on the permission, and then you want to make sure that the phone app has access to that permission. And also we can go to the storage, and over here you can clear cache, see if that helps. If not, you can also clear data. Keep in mind that if you have any settings, if you made some changes in settings in the phone app, then you might need to do them again. But of course, before you actually make those changes again, first check if you can see incoming calls after clearing the data. Besides that, here we also have the calling app option. You want to make sure that this app is the default phone app. Also, you should be able to find you should be able to find it in the apps settings at the top over here. We have choose default apps. So we can go to the phone app, and you want to make sure that the system default phone app is actually selected in here. All right, let's go back to the apps list, because now let's type phone again. And let's make sure that system apps are also shown. There we go. So now in here, what you can do is you can go through additional apps, like for example, here we have phone and messaging storage. We want to go here. And from now on, every app that I go to, you want to do pretty much the same thing. So you want to go to the storage, and then you want to clear cache if you can. And if you cannot, you want to clear data instead if it's possible. And that's all. And then of course, we're going to go back to the list, and we can proceed with further apps. So we can go to the phone calls now, and we can do exactly the same thing. So go to storage and clear cache, or clear data if you cannot clear cache. Then we're gonna go to the phone services, do exactly the same thing. There we go. And once we go through all of these different phone apps, we can also switch the phrase. We can search for something different. This time we can type call. There we go. And then here we have the call app, which we're gonna use as well. We want to go to that. Go to the storage and clear cache, of course, or data if you cannot clear cache. Then in here we have call services. We're gonna check that as well. Go to the storage and clear cache or data. Then we have call settings. We're gonna clear that as well. There we go. We're gonna clear the cache. We have call BG provider. Let's go here as well. Open the storage and we can clear cache. All right. And there's also the smart call, which we're gonna clear as well. There we go. And I think that should be it. These are all the major apps that you probably want to go through. Alright, so after we clear all that data, it is also recommended to either restart the phone once again, or you can also just open the phone app and just to make sure that it is actually running, that it has been opened before, that it is active now in the background at least. And now we can test, and I'm pretty sure now you should be able to see those incoming calls. Leave a like and subscribe.